Alright, so I'm back at the Central Park Reef, and I'm not trying to be repetitive because I've already showed you guys a room here. But this is just a standard room, about $55 US. So it's a little different than the room I showed you last time, but really not much. So like I said, I'm not trying to be repetitive, but I'll just give you a quick run through. So yeah, I mean, you got the closet again. You've got the safe box, plenty of shelving. But I'll be honest with you, like for $55 US, I mean, this is actually a really nice room. So you've got a little luggage rack there, flat screen TV, plenty of storage here, and just like I showed you before, you've got some storage down here. You know, once again, like I said, like a silverware drawer, fridge fully stocked. Of course, bring your own. Desk again. Same balcony like the other one had. Pretty nice view again. I'm on the same side as I was last time. But I mean, the beach is right there. That's Barretto. And you know what? This place, I'll tell you what, let me zoom in here. That's where I was staying at. All the way over there at Below Beach. But same thing. I mean, it's almost the identical room. I mean, there's the chair and the table. The bed looks exactly the same size. You know, lamps on both sides. The ceiling again is the same vaulted ceiling. Cool chandelier. The only thing different I think about this room, because the size it's almost identical, is that right here is a wall, and before that was that see-through tub. But when you come into here, so that's where that tub was. But yeah, so that's where the toilet is, which is obviously brand new. Sink, hair dryer, and this is something I didn't even play around with on the last one, but this is kind of neat. So if you see, yeah, it's like a kind of like a smart mirror. It lights up if you. I mean, I guess it's not that intriguing, but for me, I find it interesting. But yeah, you hit this little button and it turns the light on and off. So yeah, not really that cool, but I think it's kind of neat. And then of course the shower's a little bit different, but honestly, I almost like this shower better than the room that had the tub. I mean, it's all, you know, there's the, I mean, it's really a good, I mean, it's huge actually. This shower is huge. You just don't have a tub like you did in the other one. But I only take showers anyway, so it doesn't matter. But so anyway, like I said, I don't mean to be repetitive, but I just wanted to show you guys this room. Alright, well here we could open the store, just kind of give you a look at the hallway.
Okay.